So why are we being punished? They are using the veto or they are using some subject in political power. We also vote for APC. All of us here, we are carrying APC. So one family, Olumeko cannot deliver equal quarter of my own street in Nigeria. So why can't the government we have been with another people at the National State Assembly twice. They were postponing. This is the third time now. That's why we want to see the government. I think it's okay for now. How do I get this out of the media? Let me see that.
Ọba wa Ismail ìfẹ́ lóye àdáfẹ́ lọ́ba gbogbo wa la nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ta nífẹ̀ẹ́ òun la nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí kọ́ fún wa ládé wa o adé wa la ní ìdíkọ́ fún wa ládé wa jọ torí ọlọ́run o àwọn olùmẹ̀kọ́ rí olùmẹ̀kọ́ ṣe fábílì wa kò ṣe bí wa o kò ṣe fábílì wa kò ṣe bí wa lájà o Ismail la fẹ́ o Ismail la fẹ́ o.
Media, that's bound to
Hey, Joe,